Okay, my name is Melanie. I'm on the National General Certificate for Health and Safety, so it's a NEBOSH accredited course. This is the second part of it. The first part of it was not last week but the week before. So you did a week of the management side of things of NEBOSH and of health and safety, and believe it or not, I am learning. And the second part is this week, and we're doing the more the nitty-gritty things, you know, noise, vibration and things like that. And then we have our exam in a few weeks' time. My trainer is really nice, I have to say. He's very funny. He's very personable. So you don't feel like you're being lectured to, and this is health and safety. It's more, you know, you feel very relaxed when he draws in his personal experience, and he asks you to bring your own personal experience to the health and safety, what you do, what you don't do, how things apply to you in your workplace, because the people in my course do come from all sorts of different backgrounds in industry. So I'm pretty primarily office-based, whereas other people work in hot works and things like that, so it's great to have the experience. But the trainer kind of brings us all together, so we can relate to each other and understand how things work. So yeah, he's really great. Really good, actually. I mean, I was brought into health and safety, as I think most people are, from doing other things, and you kind of get drift into it, as it were, because and it always has that stigma of white jacket, clipboard. So I was kind of apprehensive about the course. I thought, oh my God. But I'm actually finding it really enjoyable, and I'm learning so much, I have to say. Really surprised about how much I've learned, and that the things that my bosses or my colleagues applied to work in the health and safety industry, I'm getting it, is clicking now. You know, I'm understanding why we have to put things on the health and safety board, why we have to do things. Not just we must, but this is why we're doing it. Okay? I think the facilities here at OMS are, you know, I've been on a few courses, everything from first aid to general office work and stuff like that. And you get anything from a garden shed to, seriously, to, hotel rooms. But I think this is a ready-made training facility. It's not for anything else. They don't have any other purpose in this building. So everywhere you can use. So you get to use the warehouse part to see the scaffolding, to do examinations, to do audits in. You have specialised equipment within the building. So, for instance, the fire extinguisher is specially made fire extinguishers that have sensors, so you're not actually letting one off. There's no danger to anybody. But it's facilities you wouldn't get anywhere else, I don't think. Certainly if you're having a fire warden course trained in your establishment, they wouldn't bring all this equipment in. It's very large. There's definitely loads of parking, you know, because one of the things I was worried about coming from a different area was, how am I going to get here? Am I going to be able to park here? And you can. And, you know, everything from the catering, just really well looked after. I have to say, you're never left wanting, and if you have a question or you want something or you want to find out where something is, they can help you, no problem at all. Okay, yeah, I would definitely recommend OMS to a colleague, to anybody that isn't a colleague. I've been to other training establishments, and they're, I would say, a cut above a lot of them and on par with the more excellent ones. You know, the dedication they give to you while you're in training, the premises, just the whole, from the beginning of when I first phoned to try and book the course, right to the end. Perfect.